So, a while ago I got the ATMs in for withdraw some money. Go look at this dispenser part where the money drop down. It's a $20 smile. When I look at it and I smile back. I'm say, yeah, I'm just take it up. $20. So, it's a beach morning this morning. And yeah, we're gonna link up and we're gonna beach. Right now, our time, probably about 5:30 right now. Them say them want to go early morning beach, so we're gonna early morning beach. We're not go too far, just up the road up here, so. Well, I think I just up the road up there, so I don't know, but yeah, we don't plan to go too far, but yeah, I just wake up and the beach morning. Them say them want to leave out 6:30, so at 5:30 now, I gotta just make some tea, take my time, you know, get myself together while I bathe, wash my face, brush my teeth. And yeah, about. I want to make sure say me not be the one to make nobody late, you know. So I gotta get myself together. You understand? So meet me outside, alright? Hopefully bright out. It's supposed to bright out because sunrise is about like 6:15 or so. Now I left 6:30, so yeah, it's supposed to light out by the time I reach outside. So meet me outside, alright? So I'm there, I go get some money from the machine. Them say 6:30 now, and you don't know what time now. Me I tell you, like, but me just glad nobody can say I'm me. Yeah. So when you watch this, you know say it's not me. Nah, call the name of who still, but here they are. See me can draw 2 shilling. Alright, so here people, finally the pound ways in, and me ready from 6:30. 6:30 me ready from. Them a tell me say me ready from 6:31. Well, she has me ready 6:31, but the message are 6:30. Me have the proof. Alright? But anyways, we got the people in the car, you know? Yeah. We got the nice clean people in the car. You understand? Yeah. And yeah, we have some more people around there, so back away. In that car there around there, so yeah, you understand. So yeah, we're up our way. And we're going right up the road there, so when we reach, we see which way we are go. You understand? Yeah, so sooner when we get there, alright? Alright, so reach where we are go. And this is our place, you know. So basically we're there up at Hellshire, but I don't know if you know the place over there, sir. Sugarman. So basically live on Sugarman Beach. Yeah. So this is where we are. Ignore the pile of rubbish there, so and so and so. But yeah, so the people in here. Body there. So we can go over there, man.
I'm paying so I get back money again.
The man don't collect him money.
Who does my points? No make go back.
So what? So why problem over here, sir?
Not a food.
So you know, what in a day, huh? See man we control things, so pull the man pull the gate and let you in.
The one there security over hotel.
Man say him clean at the beach, so him charge.
What are you gonna push beach?
So him charge $100 for coming people, $100 head. Pay for everybody. No, they no charge for them.
Let's go to the water. I will be the fourth.
So no come over here, so no come over here, so no over here, so.
Let's go, baby. Come. Let's take your first walk.
Oh yeah.
So yeah. As we said, still Sugarman Beach this. Basically Hellshire, for all who know the place know say I still Hellshire this. You understand? So down this are where people would normally go. And normally swim. So yeah. Yep. So yeah, down this are the regular spot of people that normally swim on them something there. You understand? And like right so you know so this a sea on the sun so. Like a whole heap of places I go and I see this. Mostly on the south coast still. It's been a while since we go a beach on the north coast still, so I don't really know if I saw seaweed take over the place. So, but sometimes it's actually worse than this. Yeah, like in the water, it's full of water. You can't even go in there. Like you know, if you do go in there, you feel uncomfortable on your skin and then something there. So you understand? But yeah, over here is actually nice. You know, I guess you just want some care. You understand, or some upkeep. The caretaker man over there so over Sugarman say him clean up the place, so, you know, so him one still, so I don't know, but it's nice to me and it give a little nice private vibe. So honestly, I like it. I'm not gonna tell you a lie, I like it. And we alone over here. So yeah, oh no, see one man out there start swim, you understand? Yeah. One man out there start swim, so yeah. But I like it, it gives a little private vibe. And I'm say, you know, I'm not really somewhere new. For all who know Sugarman, you know, so this was like a party spot where yes, so the party them used to keep. You understand? Yes, so one round this to round a boardwalk and round a waves, but yeah, yes, so enough for the big party them usually keep. So yeah. But they don't know you walk go on and you know party now keep again and really. About the beach, waiting about the beach. Waiting about the beach, waiting about the beach.
Which beach?
You don't like it?
Yes sir, definitely.
This is a private beach with the pan. You don't see you can pay for private beach? We don't put a private beach, so yeah. So I know them uppers look pretty. To ask if them a deal with. Because I need to understand what them up to. Them now come wet up themselves in the water. So what I do? I want them. Now come in the water.
Yeah, but I want to picture them first.
Oh, okay. Where's the Angela? Son at? Yo, the water nice. You can swim?
No, but my towels not working.
Ever swim? Sun in your eye. Come in, my friend. Cause them not ready for you yet, you know. Them not ready.
When the last time you go beach?
Will you enter them?
From them last time there?
Them time there. You don't really, somebody just,
True, you know?
you don't really want to be. Yeah, and to the cute place over there, so. Nice.
See, I big swimmer this. Big swimmer. Yeah. I big swimmer. What you have done? Guys. Hey. You're a good baby, you know, because you're not a ball. Normally, baby would have a ball on the place, you know. You like the water? Yeah, with water. So you're with Papa. You swim? You swim? Water nice, people. Nah, tell like, and it not cool. You know, it just right. Nice, people. Yeah. We soon go look some food. My little brother just come say him have a shop right there at the edge. Somewhere, so we soon go up there. The water really nice, man. Like. Yeah, over there look nice? Yeah. Look nice? Yeah. Oh.
Try that fish. I will look for the fish. You see the one in there, so? One fish, alright, when I go in there. Yeah, so in this one.
Oh. Wash it. Wash it. You know, say a river gotta go next. So. Yeah, I gotta check out some river cards. Yeah, trust me, big man. Nah, like you know if you know, like people will know, like, alright, look out this way, you can see the reef. One time out this way, the waves there, you could have actually walk go out there. So when the tide low, you could have walk go out there. You understand? But right now the whole I have to take up, like all football used to play out there and then something on the beach, well further down. But the whole of them building here, they are a good distance away from the water, like the water probably be there maybe somewhere out there, so it start, the beach did start. You understand? But right now, everything come in. You say climate change cause this? So them say? Iceberg and melt round one part. What them say? I don't know, them say that. You know? But it's sad still to see the beach kind of eroded like this. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna check out the man place and see what I go. Never in the store. Them boss. See, I hear spot this. Alright. Make a little video for YouTube, you know? Alright. Yeah, yes, how is spot name? Blazing Kitchen, man. Blazing Kitchen? Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. Fire, blaze the two. Yeah.
I don't want to lick fish.
So, man, place this, you know, see him look up bar, man, see a Blazing Kitchen. Ignore that sound, that nice for a while, but yeah. Blazing Kitchen.
Mandeville Regional Hospital 9 AM to 4 PM. Clarendon, Carrick High School 10 AM to 4 PM. St. Elizabeth 10 AM.
Nah, like, nice. Look at either way. You know, I hope that's kind of cool.
St. James, Montego Bay Comprehensive Health Center Type 5. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Westmoreland,
Yeah, man.
10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Savannah Health Center, Don Sunrise
If you want to forward from the beach and you want to do in one little corner place, you know,
8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
you can come check him out. Blazing Kitchen, the man say, you know. You understand? Check out the man thing at the end, at the beach. So when they come here, you know, up there some of them popular place today and you come down at the other end, closer to Sugarman side, you see me? And come check out the rest thing, you know? Blazing Kitchen, the man say. Yeah, so the man fire blazing early man. So how we fish them the way you have? I agree, yeah.
How much are the fish when I tell you?
Yeah, it's yard for.
Hey, mama. Be a little fish.
If you want only big fish, I have a snapper.
I can't afford it, so I'm not going to and you can buy one, I give it to you.
So like, well, this is how much?
I get one every 12 months. Yeah, pressure.
Alright, you can steam it too.
Steve, never see it.
Yeah, you know steam.
Yeah, man. Irish up on them something.
Yeah. Nice little spot, you know? Blazing Kitchen, the man, so you know, come check out the man place. You understand? The man same place, same Blazing Kitchen. Him have seafood, fish, lobster and crab. You don't see the man fire blazing in the early morning. Oh, yeah. Cause I don't have up no sign with a Blazing Kitchen. So I already give them the direction and tell them if I come still. So just come check out the Rastaman thing. And just know say, oh yeah, grab something, you know. Him thing look small like him just a doing thing, but yeah, come check him out. Catch a price, a good price then before it get expensive. Which part we go?
You're not, you're dip on the water, yeah?
Alright, come.
You're not going to drown me, your mother only child.
So me not gonna drown too? Well,
Ready, one.
Wait. No want you to understand this. Me no want you join me, you know. Cause you gonna push me down the way,
No, push you, ready.
That's Christ. Because you want to join me. I like them something you don't like me, you know. Alright, come.
One. No, what kind of this two. We're going to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go.
Yeah, John? No, what? You have it being I got you. What there? What more?
Mommy, you say that you want to kill it all the time.
Well, I had over idea this was. Come up this one. Go on up this one. Come in, Brittany. Yeah. So we're gonna do what is this?
No, it wasn't.
What is it?
No.
Yeah, John. You're good? You feel alive? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Oh.
It's gonna be a.
Okay. It just dip. So good?
Yeah.
Hush. it was a beautiful day. We go up on the beach, we eat some food. Oh, I never shown you the food. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, the festival did bad. That's all I did say. But it was a good day, and I enjoyed myself. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Definitely.
Did you enjoy yourself? Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, so everybody enjoyed themselves. So it was a beautiful day. We don't know where we're going next, so just stay tuned and we'll see. All right. So. A while ago, I got the ATMs in for withdraw some money. Go look at this dispenser part, where the money drop down. It's $20 smile. When I look at it, I smile back. I'm say, yeah, I'm just take it up. $20.